You see what it is, man. Coswagg Range time.
Oh yeah. This is the new movie.
You better get your target practice up.
40 cal on that ass. We don't play right now.
Nah, we don't play. I got the meth head I'm gonna shoot up in a minute. Nah, 2 clips. Time to pop it off.
Eyeglass shot.
Eyeglass shot. Let's see you, big man.
Try to attack me. Yeah, you probably ain't gonna make it after that.
No. As you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the head, 1 in the shoulder, I think you'll be done for the day.
Yeah, these are the warning shots.
Yeah, those are the get away. Back away from the car. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, as you can see,
Now you hit that jump twice. The same spot. Up, to the left.
yeah, I went through her hair to shoot him in right there in the head. Well, then the rest of these jumps, you know how it is. Jugular, you know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna breathe no more. He won't be seeing no more. That was that warning shot. But after that, the rest of them all in.
Ball game.
Ball games, y'all. Let the lady go and back away. We do this for real, man. This is practice, but it ain't practice. We trying to get it in the right way. We still trying to get it in the right way.